Imagine yourself in this 2000 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, a CD player, power mirrors, power windows.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.